The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch?
Dancehall. Yeah, bless it. Dancehall skilla, big up yourself. Coronavirus drops tonight at 12 midnight, all platform. Me not fuck with no scammer. Whenever with the hammer. Me not cause no drama.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, the person we saw in the video that I just presented to you, he is a musician who goes by the name of Eazi Money. Now, many places on social media, it is said that Eazi Money accused the Jacure of scamming him money. You see me? Or you could say that many places on social media, it is said that Eazi Money accused a musician who goes by the name of Jacure of being a scammer. You understand? Now, I soon get into certain details when it comes on to that issue. You see me? However, I'm going to move on to other topics. You see me? And I want to say big up and respect to Eazi Money. Alright? Eazi Money, big up yourself. You see? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to something that is considered to be very sad news. You understand? Now, it had came to my attention that a great Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Yurai had died. Some persons might also call him Daddy Yurai. Is what I'm saying to you. And you know, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that Yurai passed away sometime after 11 p.m. on the 17th of February, the year 2021. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I want to say condolences to the friends and the families and the loved ones of Yurai, you see me? Or you could say Daddy Yurai, you understand me? Yeah, put respect to Daddy Urai's name, you understand me? I said to you. And with that, I'm going to present a video to you that shows when a musician who goes by the name of Shabba Ranks put a crown on Urai's head. You understand me? Yeah, alright. Viewers and subscribers, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, again I want to say condolences to the friends and the families and the loved ones of Daddy Yurai. You see me? Yeah, Daddy Yurai. A great Jamaican musician. You see? Alright, viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you about a video that is circulating on social media. You see me? Now, I saw a video posted on a page on social media that goes by the name of Trinidad and Tobago Police Service. And I take a look at the post that is on the page that goes by the name of Trinidad and Tobago Police Service on social media. And according to the context of the post, I got the understanding that the video had been posted on that page to let the public know that persons shown in that video, they are not law enforcers. You see me? Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows persons who are not police officers. You understand me? And other things have been said as well. You see me? And here's a screenshot of the page that I saw the video on. You see me? I'm just letting you know how I found the video and just explaining to you how I understand some of the things that have been said about the video on social media and so on. Alright? Now I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I am comfortable. Do you want to fall deep? Or you've been arrested for? Come spread your feet. Spread your feet. You have anything illegal on a person? No, I don't. Where you get all this money from? Huh? Sir, where you get all this money from? I have no answers for that. Where you partner from Shogunas? Who partner? The contractor from Shogunas. You've been on a surveillance for some time, sir. Right? I must inform you that you will be under arrest for 7 counts of fraud and corruption. You understand? Lock up. Right, lock up. Come. Take it. Bring it.
Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to another video, and the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show Beenie Man, Popcaan, and other persons enjoying themselves. That's what I'm saying to you. Some persons might say that they're hanging out or they're just holding a vibes. You understand me? In my point of view, I think it is good to see Beenie Man really and truly happy. You understand me? I said to you, yeah, you know, with all of the things that Beenie Man went through during recent times. That's what I said to you. Alright, anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
That's why we must give cheers to the phone.
Uncle Moses get a phone now.
Stop call at home. Cheers to the phone. Yeah, Moses got phone now. Stop call my home.
That is it, Dada. Cheers to the brand new photo.
Alright, Beenie Man, big up yourself. Popcaan, big up yourself. As I say, yeah, big up each and every one shown in the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk to you about this whole thing where it is said that a musician who goes by the name of Eazi Money accused the Jacure of being a scammer. Yes, what I said to you? Now, I saw videos circulating on social media, and in those videos, I heard audios that are said to be voice notes that are from a musician who goes by the name of Jacure. It is said that Eazi Money claimed that he gave Jacure money to do a song with Jacure 4 years ago. But however, it is said that Eazi Money said that the collaboration between him and Jacure did not happen. You understand? Now, I also got the understanding that Eazi Money did a song that is considered to be a disrespectful song towards Jacure. Yeah, I got the understanding that Eazi Money did a song, and that song is considered to be a disrespectful song towards Jacure. And in that song, I heard the word scammer used repeatedly. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that contains audios that are said to be voice notes from Jacure. You see me? And according to some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos, it is said that these pieces of videos contains audios that are voice notes from Jacure that have been sent from Jacure to Eazi Money. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm also presenting these pieces of videos to you so that you might get a better understanding as to what this whole thing is about between Eazi Money and Jacure. And you can also let me know what you think about this whole issue. You understand me? Now, I'm going to warn you from right now that some of the things that have been said in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Eazi Money, let me know when the money sent so I could notify the people. Thank you, my brother. Money, that's what I'm talking about. We got business on. So to send that the beat, that's the song you want, the one that you send in my chat. Cause I'm on it right away, bro. See me? Cause yeah, no itching. Eazi Money, go suck out your mother. Take it to the media. I want you get frustrated some peace. My name Jacure. Nobody think you feel like me a punk. Me connected in Jamaica, I tell them about don't worry. I thump but I thump in your face and me see your street. And push the trigger down your mouth. Boy, I'm gonna tell you this, don't test me here. Bro, stop blood clot, text me and send the PayPal. And I hear something in a while and I'm chatting with you. You don't want to hear it. Cause you're your father. Father come text me overnight and I'm asleep. I come. Let me tell you something. I tell you already from a long time, so Eazi Money, so if you continue to call me, I gotta just run back your money. I'm rich. And I can't stop till this. You don't know nothing about me and my life and my friend. Yo, easy money. I jack here this. Me tell the world me rich. Me never have money problem. You can get your money back any fucking day. If you disrespect me, you get back your money. I told you this. Me not a robber, me not a thief. And me not like how you a text me, attack. Brethren, me have VP album I'll do. Even if me do the song, you can't release it. I'm not gonna give you clearance. So just wait, brethren. See? If you don't want to wait, just let me know. You get back your money back, brother. Me not beg people. You hear that? Alright. Charge for the song. You can check across the board. All 15 grand sometimes depends upon who it is. You're lucky. You will get some for them cheap money, they and come give me a bag of talk. Listen to me now, man. I have PayPal to you know. And I have enough money from PayPal. All over, I'm rich. I'm not broke, brethren. So if you not talk to me good, you go hold back your money and me not do no business. Have some respect, my youth. You come and chat to me like you feel like I'm broke. Bro, I still never see the money that you say you're sending from the other day, you know. Talk to me, brother, man. You chip in and out for me, say, man. Money, so if you're going to send me nothing, send it now. It's me going to vex with you here. And my daughter's birthday next week, and I shop for her, and I never get for buy my ticket, go Europe for shop for her, so I end up after I PayPal some money to one lady for go pick up my daughter things I'm at a store. So you better you just give me the food now, brother, I can shut up the song and give her, give me her food and me just shut up some works. But me need it now, dog. If you go give me now or never. Since last year I live it. The money, you know, say I don't want to buy one of my girl a ticket for fly down here tomorrow. I don't know if you can fix a ticket thing there for me like right now and then put it on the bill. You can send the money whenever you're ready. I'm not rush. Just go and get a flight from New York. Them. So you can't win nothing with me. I'm going to embarrass you if you try to style me, and then it's going to cost one next physical thing. Come in and make. Hey, let me tell you this. One man I got this me and get with. And the man a Bahamas where Frost Twin get me in trouble with. And nobody know where I'm there. Make a the Jamaican man try that with me. Make a no Jamaican. Do it. So you not try to make bamboo clot. Fix. You feel like I take care of money? You know, a scam a thief. I tell you, say me I run back the money because if you bother me, scam a thief, me not thief. You have my money. And me just say, oh, if a man a bother me, I run back your money. So, a voice note I did to prove it, and I have all of my evidence on my phone. So if you prolong no more fuckery, just remember me tell you this, me you gotta have it out. Because my name is not a joke name. You can't come try nothing for my name and walk free. And walk up and down and skin teeth and feel like so what? You go produce artists and go out the place, New York and everywhere, and ramp with me. Check where you do, man. Just me. But this is a road boy. I just tell you straight up, you know, where you don't want to take it as a threat or not, you know. You see that thing there where you post on your page, you know, follow right like me. And about I feel like say my career easy if you go down. And me tell also one man go suck them mother and them still are spending most money with me than every other artist. Right now. So one man money I earn me millions a week. Alone. I'm gonna tell you something. If you think you can ramp with me and post my name on your idiot page, road boy, me even not gonna tell you what it's gonna cost you. Just do it and see in the long run what it's gonna cost between me and you. And see if you're not gonna alright, me even not say nothing. Come let me tell you this, you know. Remember this, you know.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla, you know? You know, big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.